Hey everyone, it's been a while since I've actually done a startup on this Silverado, and this friggin' crow right here is cocking over the program. Anyway, something I want to show you before I did that though is, there was a video I did a while back that mentioned that this little trim piece is loose. We had that replaced some time ago. It doesn't match. I know it doesn't match this or the rest of the vehicle, but it was inexpensive, and I mean, in a way it matches, like, you know, the rest of the trim, so it doesn't really matter. It's just, I mean, it's a surround, so let's get to business, shall we? Just start this thing up. For those of you who don't know, it's a 09 Silverado 1500 LT 4-wheel drive, and there's bird crap on the window. Frick sakes. Vehicle has 39,141 miles.